A Poisson distribution is a limiting form of binomial distribution. Here P is very small. Sometimes P or any one of the value is very small and n is large enough, then the Poisson distribution is m power x into e power minus m dividing by x factorial, where m is mean. Here, while solving this formula, we are using NP to find out the answers. Here, obtain mean and variance of Poisson distribution. So we have discussed in binomial distribution, average or mean, we can write it as summation of x into p of x, where x is 0 to n. Here p of x is m power x into e power minus m by x factorial. So here summation x into m power x into e power minus m dividing by x factorial. We cancel one x here, x is 0 to n, and here if we cancel one x, then we can write it as summation x is 1 to infinity m power x dividing by x minus 1 factorial. So here this one, remember x by x factorial is x dividing by x into x minus 1 factorial, x get cancelled. Here we must remember e power x can be written as 1 plus x square by 2 factorial plus x power 3 by 3 factorial and so on. Then e power minus m, here x starts with 1. I am taking 1 m common. So this is nothing but we can write it as summation x power n dividing by n factorial if it is x is 0 to n. Here x is 1. Then here we can write it as n minus 1 and n minus 1. So with help of this one, I am taking 1 m outside. So summation x equal to 1 to n m power m into m power x minus 1 dividing by x minus 1 factorial. Then this one we can write it as m into e power plus m. E power m into e power minus m gets e power 0 1. So we get mean is nothing but mean. So here mean is m. We are using the binomial distribution while using the Poisson distribution problems. Similarly, variance, summation of x square into p of x minus mu square. Here I am add and subtract x square minus x plus x into p of x minus mu square. Now I am splitting this first term, x square minus x I am writing as x into x minus 1 into p of x, plus second this one I am writing separately x into p of x. So x into p of x is mean, it is nothing but m, and this one is mean square, m square equal to p of x x into x minus 1 into p of x is what, m power x into e power minus m dividing by x factorial. Here this x factorial I am writing as x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 factorial. So here x get cancelled, x minus 1 get cancelled, then we get x minus 2 factorial. So this one we can write it as summation x is 2 to n m power x into e power minus m dividing by x minus 2 factorial plus m minus m square. Here similar to the previous one, I am changing this one as m power 2 summation x is 2 to n, m power x is m square into m power x minus 1 into e power minus m dividing by x minus 2 factorial. So this term is nothing but e power m plus m minus m square. So here we can write it as m square plus m minus m square get cancelled, we get m. So here variance, mean and variance of Poisson distribution is m. We discuss some problems on this one. Here remember, when we are using the Poisson distribution, we must check that p should be very less and n should be little bit more in the problem. Here in a example, in a certain factory producing cycle tires, there is a small chance of 1 in 500 tires to be defective. So here P is 1 by 500. Out of 500, 1 tire is defective. The tires are supplied in lots of 10. So in a box there will be a 10 tires. Using Poisson distribution, calculate the approximate number of lots containing no defective. First question, we must find out there is no defective in the box, and one defective or two defective tires respectively. And we must find out there is a consignment of 10,000 lots in a consignment. So here first, if we want to find out the P of x Poisson distribution, e power minus m into m power x dividing by x factorial, m is mean. So m is mean, we must use the formula m equal to np using the binomial distribution. So n is 10 into p is 1 by 500, we get 1 dividing by 50, that is 0.02. Now with using the Poisson distribution, the first question is what? There is no defective. There is no defective tire. So that is nothing but P of x equal to 0. So P of x equal to 0 is what? E power minus m. M is 0.02. M is 0.02 power x. X is 0 dividing by 0 factorial. 0 factorial is 1. We get e power minus 0.02. This value is nothing but 0.9802. So here there is a consignment of 10,000 lots. So here number of lots containing no defective. So here 10,000 are there, multiply with no defective. So here we get 9,802 lots are no defective in the consignment. Similarly, second one is what? There is only one defective. So P of x is equal to 1. E power minus m is 0.02 into 0.02 power 1 dividing by 1 factorial is nothing but 0.019604. So here number of one defective in consignment consignment is what? 10,000 is there in the consignment into 0.019604. We get 196 lots are defective with one tire. The third one is there is 2 defective is x equal to 2. We get e power minus 0.02 into 0.02 square dividing by 2 factorial is 0.000199604. Then consignment of 10,000 lots. So what we get? 10,000 into 0.000199604. We get only 1.96, that is 2 lots are defective with the 2 defective tires. So if the probability that an individual suffers a bad reaction from the certain type of injection is 0.001, determine the probability that out of 2000 individuals, exactly 3, second question is more than 2 individuals, third one is there is no, and fourth one is at least one will suffer from the bad reaction. So here P is, what is P? 0.001. It is a individual suffer from bad reaction, and N is 2000. So mean is nothing but N into P. N is 2000 into 0.001 will get 2. Now Poisson distribution is e power minus m into m power x dividing by x factorial. The first question, exactly 3 will suffer. Exactly 3 will suffer. We can write it as P of x is 3. So here e power m is 2. So e power minus 2 into 2 power x is 3. 2 power 3 dividing by 3 factorial. We can write it as 0.135 into 135 into 0.135 into 4 dividing by 3. So e power minus 2 is this one. So we can write it this as 0.18 if we divide the values. B is more than 2 individuals are suffering from the bad reaction. So here more than, we can write it as x is greater than 2. So x is greater than 2 is what? P of, it starts with 3, end with n. What is n? N is P of x equal to 2000. So here from x equal to 3 to 2000 finding is lengthy process. We do the reverse process of this one. So total probability is 1 minus reverse process of x greater than 2. We can write it as P of x. We must include 2 also. So here it starts with 3. We must include x equal to 2 also. We get 1 minus P of x equal to 0, x equal to 1 and x equal to 3. So here now we substitute these values in P of x. So here 1 minus x equal to 0, we know the we must find out, and x equal to 0 is e power minus 2 into 2 power 0 by 0 factorial plus e power minus 2 into 2 power 1 by 1 factorial plus e power minus 2 into 2 power 2 by 2 factorial. I am substituting in e power minus m into m power x by x factorial. M is 2. Now 1 minus. So here I am taking e power minus 2 common, e power minus 2 common. Here 2 power 0 is 1 plus 2 power 1 is 2 plus this one we can write it as 2. It is nothing but 5. 1 minus 5 times this one is what? 0.135. We can write it as 0.325 as the answer. So here already we have written the value for a null. C is what? There is none suffer from the bad reaction. So this value is 0.1. E power minus 2 into 2 power 0 by 0 factorial is 0.135. E power minus 2 is 0.35. So D is at least one will suffer. So at least we can write it as that x is greater than or equal to 1. So here we do the reverse process. P of x, here x greater than or equal to 1 is there. While writing the reverse, P of x is less than 1 should be subtracted with the 1 minus 1. So here 1 minus, here we must write x less than 1 can be written as x is equal to 0. 1 minus 0.135. So already we have written here. So this one we get 0.595. 1 minus 0.135 is 0.568. A manufacturer knows that the razor blades he makes contain an average 0.5% of defectives. He packs them in a packet of 5. What is the probability that a packet picked at random will contain 3 or more faulty blades? Solution. Here P is defective blades. Defective is 0.5%. We can write it as 0.005. N is packet of 5 blades. Then M is N into P. We get 5 into 0.005 is 0.025. So we are discussing in Poisson distribution. P of x is m power x into e power minus m by x factorial. Here, what is the probability that a packet picked at random will contain 3 or more? So here 3 or more can be written as greater than or equal to 3. So here n is 5. So P of x greater than or equal to 3 can be written as P of x equal to 3, P of x equal to 4 plus P of x equal to 5. So this one we substitute in the P of x Poisson distribution. We get m is 0.025 power x is 3 into e power minus m is common. So we write it at the last common, dividing by 3 factorial plus 0.025 power 4 by 4 factorial plus 0.025 power 5 dividing by 5 factorial into e power minus m. Minus m is 0.025. Simplify this one. We get the answer 0.0000255. Suppose that a book of 600 pages contains 40 printing mistakes. Assume that these errors are randomly distributed throughout the book, and x, the number of errors per page, has a Poisson distribution. What is the probability that 10 pages selected at random will be free of errors? So here P is mistakes. Printing mistake is what? 40 out of 600 pages. So we get 1 by 15. N is 10 pages. What is the probability? 10 pages. N is 10. Then we can write mean equal to n into p. N is 10 into 1 by 15 is 2 dividing by 3. Now we are discussing the Poisson distribution. So p of x is m power x into e power minus m by x factorial. So here the question is, what is the probability that 10 pages selected at random will be free of errors? So there is no error if we select the from 10 pages. So x is 0. So m power 0 into e power minus m dividing by 0 factorial. So m power 0 is 1, e power minus m is 2 dividing by 3. It is nothing but 0.51. So almost out of these 10 pages, 51% that there is no error in the printing mistake in the pages. A skilled typist on routine work kept a record of mistakes made per day during 300 working days. Mistakes per day 0, number of days is 143, 1 mistake 90 days, 2 mistake 42, 3 12, 4 9, 5 mistakes is only 3 days and 6 mistakes 1 days. So here fit a Poisson distribution to the above data and hence calculate the theoretical frequencies. So here solution, we must find out the Poisson distribution. To find out the Poisson distribution, what is Poisson distribution? Pm power x dividing by m x factorial into e power minus m. So here we must find out the mean. Mean is nothing but summation of f into x dividing by n. So f is number of days frequency and x is mistakes per day. If we find out, so 143 into 0 plus 90 into 1 plus 42 into 2 plus 12 into 3 plus 9 into 4 plus 5 into 3 plus 6 into 1 dividing by out of 300 working days we get 0.89. So m is 267 by 300, that is 0.89. Now there is number of mistakes. P of x is what? P of x is e power minus 0.89 into m is 0.89 power x dividing by x factorial. Now to find out the theoretical value, number of mistakes. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6 here p of x we have the values p of x, then theoretical frequency. So here p of x equal to 0, we are substituting 0 in this one. If we substitute, we get e power minus 0.89 into 0.89 power 0 dividing by 0 factorial, we get 0.411 into 300. So 300 is number of working days should be multiplied. So we get 123.3. So this one we write it as 123 approximately. If it is 1 e power, this one we substitute 1, we get 0.4365 into 300, we get 109.5, that is 110 days. That is a mistake of 1. Similarly, we find out for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we get the respective values. So x equal to 2. So here we get x equal to 2 means e power minus 0.89 into 0.89 power 2 dividing by 2 factorial. We get. So similarly we keep on substitute the mistakes xx 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in p of x. We get the respective values 0.166 into 300 for 2. So this can be written as 48.9. It is approximately 49. So 0.048 into 300 we can write it as 14.4, approximately 14. And 0.11 into 0.11 into 300 is 3.3. So we say it is 3. Then 0.002 into 300 is nothing but 0.6. It is 1. And this one is 0.09. We say that it is 0. There is no error on number of mistakes 6. So here we compare these values with the theoretical value and number of days practically. So here 143. So here mistakes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here number of days, and this is theoretical value, theoretical frequency. So here 0, it is 143, 90, 42, 12, 9, 3, 1. Observed values, here theoretical frequency we are getting 123, 110, 49, 14, 3, 1, 0.